Hi friends, today I'm going to take you to the first class AC Coupe of Indian Railways. The entrance look like this. There are coupes here. Coupe 1. This is our coupe. This is where I am. This is second coupe. Third coupe. In fact, you can see these are 2, 4. 4 people can sleep here. Ours is 2 coupe. You can see majority these are 2 coupe. This is also 2 coupe. Two coupe here again. This is available only in the first class. 4-seater coupe. And you do have toilet here. One is Western style toilet. Just wash basin and the paper roll is there. Then water jet and everything and hand wash. This one. The second one is this. This is for your bathing. You can take bath here. So in order to travel with your pet, you have to have first class AC coupe reservation, and it is a lengthy procedure in which you have to get the permission from the station superintendent. Prior to that, you have to have veterinary certificate, all the injection required documentation are in place, the vaccination has been completed or not. So, and we have to write one application to the station master, and one day before you have to visit the railway station and give the application to them. And next day, the day of travel, suppose it is at 6 o'clock in the evening, so by 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock you have to reach, so that you can give before the chart formation comfortably here. Yes, this is not good for sitting, only for sleeping. See, my dog is here. Bella is there. Say hi, Bella. So see you all, friends. I'll show you some documents. Check it back later. Bye. Nah, ingat. से बच्चा क्या हो गया ना चलो 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 चलो